In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Hubspot for onboarding and customer service. This setup process will streamline your workflow and optimize your customer interactions, making your team more efficient and prepared. Now let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the page. Do you see the login button? Give that a click. This is your gateway to accessing all of HubSpot's features. After you've clicked Login, you'll see a few options on how you can sign in. Select the Sign in with Google option. This method is often the quickest and easiest, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. Simply choose your Google account from the list that pops up, and you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. From here, take a look at the left panel on your screen. You'll find a variety of options, but the one we're interested in right now is the CRM section. Click on it to access your customer relationship management tools. Next up, let's navigate to the tickets area within the CRM. This section is crucial for managing customer inquiries and service requests efficiently. When you're in the tickets area, locate the drop-down menu marked All Pipelines. Click on this drop-down to move forward. Now that you see the menu, select Edit Pipelines. Here's where you can start customizing your setup. When you're editing pipelines, it's important to note that you'll need a paid HubSpot account to create a new one. However, for our purposes today, you don't need to purchase anything new. Simply choose the Support pipeline from the available options. This pipeline will already have some basic stages set up that are useful for handling tickets and client issues. And don't worry, you have the flexibility to modify them to suit your needs more precisely. In this screen, you can add new statuses or edit existing ones by clicking on them. This customization allows you to track the progress of customer inquiries and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Once you've made your desired changes and everything looks just right, it's time to lock in your configuration. Head to the bottom left of your screen and you'll find the Save button. Clicking this will ensure that all your pipeline edits are updated and ready for action. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up HubSpot for efficient onboarding and customer service operations. Your team is now well equipped to handle customer interactions with increased efficiency and precision. Remember, the power of HubSpot lies in its ability to adapt to your processes, so feel free to revisit and tweak your setup as needed. Thanks for following along, and happy onboarding.